Hello, welcome again. We are solving day 2023 mechanical engineering paper. Question number 61 is consider a mixture of two ideal gases X and Y with molar masses mx is equal to 10 kilogram per kilomole and my is equal to 20 kilogram per kilomole respectively in a container. The total pressure in the container is 100 kPa and the total volume of the container is 10 meter cube. And the temperature of the contents of the container is 300 Kelvin. If the mass of the gas X in the container is 2 kg, then the mass of the gas Y in the container is dash kg. Rounded up to 1 decimal place. Assume that universal gas constant is 8314 joule per kilomole per degree Kelvin. So here let Px be the partial pressure of the gas X, then using state equation Px into V is equal to Nx RUT, where V is volume and Nx is number of moles of gas X, Ru is universal gas constant, T is temperature. So putting the value of volume, that is 10 total volume, and Nx number of moles can be calculated by this that gas X contains 2 kilogram, the mass of the gas X is 2 kilogram and molar mass is 10 kg per kilomole. So number of moles are 2 by 10 into 1000 per kilomole means we have to multiply by 1000. So it will be 200 moles, or we can say it is 0.2 kilomole. Okay. So this is 0.2, this is 8314, Ru is 8314, and because 8314 R is in joule per kilomole, so that's why we have converted 200 into 0.2, that is in mole to kilomole. Okay, so that is in joule per kilomole. Okay, and temperature 300 Kelvin. So Px comes out as 49.884 kPa. So now total pressure is 100. So Px is 49.884. So Py is 50.116 kPa. Okay, so Py, using again state equation Py into V is equal to NYRT. So Py is 10. Py is your 50.116 into 10 power 3 kPa in kP, and V is 10, and R is again 8314, temperature is 300. So from this, number of moles of gas Y can be calculated. So that is 0.2 kilomole, and molar mass of gas Y is also given, that is 20 kilogram per kilomole. So if we multiply by kilomole, then we can calculate mass of the gas Y. So that is 20 into 0.2, that is 4 kg.